Livpure really works, or is it another new supplement that will fool you? You are tired of trying to lose weight with restricted diets, exercises that do not work. Slimming remedies and treatments are distressing. Surgeries are invasive and very costly. What if I told you that it is possible to lose weight in a totally natural way? I am Dr. Daves, and I will give my opinion about the Livpure supplement. In 2023, an estimated team of scientific researchers discovered only one factor common in all overweight women and men: impaired liver function. One of the main functions of the liver is to cleanse the body of all the chemicals and toxins to which you are exposed through food, drugs, alcohol, and the environment in general. The liver also determines whether the food you eat, regardless of how healthy or not, will be burned as energy or stored as unpleasant body fat. These studies have shown that with optimal liver function, liver cells can be 14 times more efficient in burning fat and calories on autopilot. Livpure is the only product in the world that works this way. Within each Livpure capsule there are 2 unique blends of plants and natural nutrients supported by science. The Liver Purification Complex, designed to quickly cleanse and detoxify your body. And the Liver Fat Burning Complex, designed to electrify your metabolism and burn fat from your problem areas. Just take Livpure daily as recommended by manufacturers and watch your body melt fat. But beware! Due to the great sales success, various manufacturers, marketers and websites are selling Livpure. But not everyone has access to the ingredients and the research carried out by the renowned scientists who created this supplement. Therefore, if you want to buy this supplement, know that the legitimate Livpure is sold only through the official website. The official website is in the description of the video, and in it you can get more scientific information and the opportunity to buy Livpure with a good discount. See that the more bottles you buy, the higher the discount. By melting your body fat you will feel younger and more willing. This will give you energy so that you want to practice physical exercises, which will further increase your results. Your closet will have to be renovated, because this large outfit will no longer fit you. Thousands of people around the world are buying Livpure. And because every bottle is produced in an FDA and GMP licensed facility, manufacturing a new batch takes time. Therefore, if you want to buy Livpure, you should do it before the units run out. So, if you came to this video to find out if Livpure works, the answer is yes. Livpure really does. Many people are having amazing results and can also have those results. And if you're still in doubt, something that can make you feel safe is that Livpure manufacturers offer a 60-day guarantee. If you think it didn't work for you, contact customer service for a refund. I hope I have answered your questions about Livpure. You deserve to be happy with your body.